Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. Today we are going to make some sugar-free almond flour oatmeal raisin cookies. Let's get it done. I am going to start off with an egg, or you can use any egg substitute. Now add a 1/4 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now process this until smooth and creamy. Now add 1/3 of a cup of allulose or any keto sugar. Now this is Swerve brown sugar substitute, but you can use any brown sugar substitute. This is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Process this until combined. This is 1 cup of almond flour, and 1 cup of oats. After processing this again, this is what the batter should look like. And the last ingredient is 1/2 cup of raisins. Now just stir this with a spatula until those raisins are incorporated. Now I'm just going to use my small ice cream scoop to scoop out the batter onto this silicone mat. I have a feeling that these are going to spread out quite a bit, so I'm going to separate them just a little bit and pat them down. Yes, they did spread out quite a bit. I cooked these at 350 for 12 minutes. The aroma off of these cookies are so amazing. I'm going to move them to a cooling rack and I'll bring you back. Here are the cooled cookies. They came out perfect. I was able to get 14 cookies out of this batch. Let me break one of these cookies open for you. They are so soft. Now I do have to pause the video just for a second. I made a mistake in the first video that I did. In 2 tablespoons of oats, there are 18 calories and 3.15 grams of carbs, which turn into sugar. And I'm hypoglycemic, and if you're sugar intolerant like I am, we really got to watch our carbs. Let me pinch this cookie to show you how soft it is. Super soft. Now let me taste this cookie. Just like the cookies I used to make the kids when they were small. Well, thank you everyone for watching the video. And as always, may God bless you.